Today we're here with another yoga block workout, and today we are going to be doing some standing balancing poses with our yoga block. So if y'all are ready, let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so our first move that we are going to be doing is we are going to stand on the yoga block in tree pose with our left leg. So place your foot on the yoga block here, and we are just going to begin by holding tree pose here. So you can place your arms out to the side to improve your balance. But remember, when we are doing tree pose, you don't want to have your foot here right on your knee. You want to either have it a little bit below on your calf or up if you can. So all these moves today are going to be helping us improve our balance. And if you fall off the yoga block, that's fine. It's okay. Just make sure if you need to, just place your leg down. That's fine as well. The only way we can improve our balance is by working on it. And make sure you have a little tiny bend in those knees. You don't want to have your leg completely locked out. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next we're going to be doing tree pose on our right foot. So go ahead and put your right foot on the block here. And we're going to begin holding tree pose here for 1 minute. So make sure your other leg here is either on your thigh or your calf here, but not on that knee. We're really working on our balance, so make sure you guys breathe the entire time. These are great yoga poses to help us improve our balance. Peaceful out here, being out here in nature. I love working out outside. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next we're going to be doing figure 4 here. So go ahead and step up on that yoga block with your left foot here. And we are going to begin by having your right foot here folded over onto either your thigh or on your shin here. And we're just holding the 4 position here. So you can have your arms out to the side here. You can have them in prayer pose on your hips or even straight down. If you are really working on your balance, you're really beginner with your balance, you can also go right up next to a wall and have your hand on a wall while you work on holding these poses here. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next we're going to repeat on that other side. So put your right foot on the yoga block here, bringing your left foot into either on your thigh or your shin, whatever you prefer. And we're just going to hold this pose once again for 1 minute. If you're already advanced in your balance, you can also practice closing your eyes. We're going to be doing this figure 4s again, but we are going to be folded. So come up onto the yoga block with your left foot here, have your right leg either on your thigh or your calf, and we are just going to lean forward slightly. So if your balance isn't that great, you can just lean slightly forward with your hands on your thighs here, or you can go to flat back position, or just let it hang. Okay, rolling up, and let's switch. Have your right foot on the yoga block here, placing your left leg, folding it over on either your thigh or your calf, and let's go ahead and just let it hang here. So once again, you can just have your hands on your thighs here while you're slightly bending over, or you can come to flat back, or if you're more advanced, you can just let it hang all the way down. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure y'all leave me a comment, and be sure to subscribe if you are not already. And I look forward to seeing y'all next time. Bye.